Bro, shout out your Instagram. Bro, now's your chance. Now's your chance.
Anthony Dusty 34.
Our boy Anthony, he broke down. I'm sorry I'm recording on the iPhone, but the quality's actually pretty damn good. Master, our cylinder slave, is down. Had to help him out, so we hooked him up with a tow. But I'm gonna drop his IG. You guys show the Z fam some love, so just do that. Go, where am I? I don't know where I'm gonna put it. Right here. I'm gonna put it right here. Go follow him. So you're gonna start the video? You're gonna do the hand thing? Dang, bro, work, bro. Yes. Yes. Slow. Ooh.
Look at that.
Ooh.
Look at that, super tech.
This is how not to put a car in a jack.
What's going on, Noir gang? So we're actually back. We're actually at the same. We're actually at the same spot as last. I have bad news. So in order for me to get this swap started, I needed a little bit of additional funds. I talked about this for a long time. You talking crap, bro? Yeah, I'm trying not to pay so much out of pocket, bro. Why are you trying?
Pay out of pocket? You never paid me anything. You didn't even buy me lunch.
What? Wait, hold the frick up.
Hold the
frick up.
Are you zooming in?
I didn't buy you lunch?
No.
Remember Buffalo Wild Wings in Southland Mall?
No.
Bye.
No.
Where's my lunch, home?
I sent you gas money.
Oh, that's true. Love you, though. I'm sorry I had to do this to you guys. Now, I do plan on getting another set, but unfortunately, the Nismo wheels have to go on this crusty DE. So they're going to be... and I'm getting these ugly...
Hey, Firehawks though.
I'm not gonna lie, his tires are way better than mine.
Yeah.
And it currently is raining.
He told me that after the fact. Hashtag Joey.
Well, whatever, I'm gonna pray for you, so it's okay. So we're gonna get rid of the Nismo wheels. I'm gonna run these base that I've actually had before when I got my car. Like, I hated these wheels when I first got them, and here I am, ironically, getting them back.
At least they're black.
At least they're black.
Yeah, at least they're black.
You gonna break those nuts loose, bro? I need you to bust a nut.
I was trying to let you comment.
This is a family channel, Ray?
Oh, you're right. I'm gonna let him break those. I'm gonna let him bust a nut, and then we'll catch back up after. I like that. Thank you for that tire, though. Look at that. This sounds like pretty much brand new, brother.
These look like they belong on Ultima.
These belong in the garbage.
Those are nice. You guys are so I like these, but obviously they have
Show
to.
the crusty paint one more time.
They have to be the rear.
Ask him if he wants to. His nice opinion counts.
Okay, look. Yeah, look. He's
glossed it here a little. Here.
Oh, hit it. Ooh, round 2 in 2 videos? Oh, you're gonna draw a penis?
No, I'm gonna draw Squidward.
Oh, nice.
He makes only 330 horsepower.
I don't even make power. That is a weird Squidward. All right, sir. Well, if you guys already know this is Sleepless Performance, make sure you subscribe. You good there?
Almost died.
Make sure you subscribe to him on YouTube. This is his supercharged DE build. I did the salesman slap on your car. You like that? Ooh, dang. So we're trading these wheels. Again, I'm getting the stock, the base wheels, getting my Nismos. All right, this is the most important part. What I was scared about was if these actually clear the brakes. Nah. Oh wait, dude, they cleared. Nice. Okay, you got yourself a deal there, brother.
Millimeter is still clear.
Right? Yeah. I think you fit flush without spacers. Oh, I got it. Dude, that is so hard.
You gotta take it off.
Spacer, right?
Yeah, both.
Need a 15 mil.
What is that, 20?
25.
Dude, but let's acknowledge how hard that looks.
Shit looks nice.
Dang, bro. Well, now you have extra work.
Yeah. It's okay, because I didn't want to take them off and then have all my new
Wow.
Bro, honestly.
Dude, this looks so. Good. Don't even say it. This looks so bad. What is.
The yellow makes it look good.
Oh my god, this looks so bad. Nismo kit. Yeah, exactly.
Hey, man, it could be worse, okay?
It can. No, it really can.
It could.
I'd rather run spares all around.
I think I'm gonna take off the Nismo kit because of this.
Stop it.
Dang, bro, why are you so hurtful, bro?
It's not hurtful, it's just hideous.
Wow, dang.
They're also dirty as well.
Don't talk to me until you're done. The build's over.
Wow, fake friends, bro.
Not fake. I'm doing you a favor.
This guy. Yo, you got some legit Nismo wheels, right? Bro, where are my center caps? Where are the center caps, man? Bro, not on a single wheel, dude.
No, there's one. It's not even the right color.
Wow, it doesn't even match. It looks like the hot, you know that middle piece of a Hot Wheels. There we go. Wow. And the fitment, ugh. No, the whole entire fitment's gonna be trash, brother. These are so hideous. I'm looking at my car, Noir gang. Just look at my car, man. What are those? What is that? Jeez. Alright, so we're having a little bit of an issue. He came here with spacers. Like a nerd. And
are you missing a lug nut back here?
yes, I am, but that's not the point of the video.
That's the same weight.
Yeah, weight reduction. I don't need all lug nuts, bro. So he has a spacer on, and he's Mexi poking pretty hard. Dude, honestly,
I'm gonna die, bro.
I hope you drive really slow.
Bro, I'm going like 40 the whole way home.
Dude, I'm sorry, bro. I didn't know that. Dude, they have a nail in it.
Don't apologize.
Like, keep rolling. Oh no, it's just some dude.
Yo, it's just slick.
Yeah.
How much did you buy these for though?
$200.
There is a nail in it.
Oh, and look, it came with a nail, so now you're super safe. Like,
I should have lowballed him.
I hope this works, bro. Cause
No, it works.
it's just the spacers are pretty meaty, bro. Look at this. I mean, you're gonna rub, dude, a lot. Looks like it might tuck a little, but the sidewall, bro, you're gonna rub pretty hard on every bump on the highway. What are the chances you're right there, fam?
You got a little light in my cornea.
You think he's gonna be calling you saying his tire exploded?
I'm not gonna answer.
I'll stop at auto parts and take the spacers off there before I drive home.
I refuse to answer a phone call from Boza.
Hey, wait, I'm done, bro. Hey, trying to record a video! Oh, here we go. Here we go. You're good, bro? You're good,
It's not all
bro?
the way down yet.
Oh, God, dude, you're gonna rub so motherfucking hard, bro. Rip. Damn,
It's already pulling.
wow.
It pulled.
It's on it, right?
It's on it.
Dang. That's one way to pull your fenders. Dude, wow, bro, I'm not gonna lie. That looks hard. This looks so good, bro. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm kind of sad.
That's what I mean.
I'm kind of sad. Any little bump, you're screwed.
There's only one thing to do. I need to go to an auto parts.
Now I have to go to a parts store because of this guy. I literally don't want to drive my car now from how hideous
Hold
this
on,
looks.
check out that
Oh
video.
my
Let's
god. Yo, my car looks so ugly. Oh my god. You don't even have to put it down. Oh, wait. Not yet. Wait. Stop. Let's check. Let's get it on camera. Oh, damn.
Go down. Let's see this. Bet.
Dang. Yo, you think
you're gonna chop your hands off?
you think I'm gonna clear, bro?
I think you'll be alright. Look, in Miami, you know, this is valuable for rent. This is probably like a $1,500 studio apartment.
Oh Lord. Look at this fitment, dog. Look at oh god. What the frick?
This man's pipe wasn't even tight.
Oh my god, what is this fitment? Do it the right way. So oh yeah, it looks so good. Look at that. Ooh.
Yeah, I was gonna be like, damn,
Oh, here we go.
I was gonna be like, yeah.
I'm backing out the deal. Let's get your money.
Right.
Okay.
I'll take blame because I didn't do my research. Those wheels with Brembos on the front with no spacer don't clear the brakes.
So guess who has to go get them?
These nuts.
Sadly.
All right.
Thank you, brother. You're a good guy.
Yeah. Bye. Well, here we are yet again, bro. I always park like a douche, so let's get some spacers, dude. Dude, you're so massive, bro. You're about to. Oh, wow. Is this it?
This is such trash.
No, that's quality, dude. Look. Give me the spacers, bro. Look, this is.
They're gonna vibrate to hell.
Oh well, I mean,
That's what you get.
he likes that vibration on his butthole. All right, Boza owes us dinner, so we're heading out. Let's go get this wheel on. Thank you guys. You guys have a good night.
Bye-bye.
Let's get this wheel on, bro, so I can go home. Oh, go. Because my midget overlord, aka fiance, is gonna kill me. Because today was supposed to be her birthday celebration. Way to go, Boza!
Happy birthday, Marisol.
Happy birthday! What's up? Finally, we're going home.
It's going sketchy though.
Your studs aren't long enough, bro.
No, they're good.
Your studs aren't long enough, bro. You're not gonna make it home, dude. Make it home, dude. What are you gonna do? This is your home now, bro. Like, at least you got a view, though.
I got a view.
You got a view.
Your steering wheel's gonna feel like it has Tourette's.
Your steering wheel's gonna feel like a dildo. What? That's the sound. I feel like a bunch of hobbits are gonna run out of the darkness now. That's their mating. Oh, okay, beauty's time. Gang, that is it. I'm sorry to do this to you guys. These wheels look absolutely horrendous, but a deal's a deal. I wanted to back out. I wanted to back out of this, but Bozo would have got really mad. But it's okay because he's really happy. He's really happy. Yeah, I'm happy for him. They look great. But whatever. We're gonna get a new set of wheels. Drop in the comments what you think I should get, because I'm kind of torn between getting another set of Nismos, or we can get something new like some Rays or something. But whatever. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys are hyped, because we're only doing this because we're getting the VR30 in a couple of days from this point. Yo, you guys talking crap, dog? You don't want these hands, dog. Dang. Oh, hey, bro. Hey, what's up? Hey, stare at my balls, bro.
Stare at my balls. Stare at my balls.
Just make sure you guys like and subscribe. But as always, I love you. Give me a kiss, bro. Wow, that was so weak.